Hello friends, on this video I will show you how to click shortcut volume button without clicking here in Realme mobile phone. First of all, you have to go on here setting, then you can find your search. You have to search here accessibility menu. Then you can find here accessibility. Then you can find here menu, accessibility menu, and you can find here accessibility menu. Click here. Then you have to turn on this accessibility menu, then allow, then click on got it. Then you can find here accessibility menu. You can click from here like this. You can see here volume up, you can see 100. This is volume down without clicking here. You can see here without clicking here. You can click from here. Then if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.